top 10 alkaline foods that you must add to your daily diet. Welcome to the gateway of wellness, where the right food choices can unlock your body's full potential. Today, we're here to share 10 alkaline foods that are super easy to add to your diet. If you want to improve your overall well-being, you must change the way you eat. Everything you consume has a direct impact on your overall health. You can't feel your best until you start feeding your body with what it needs. An alkaline diet works best as it involves eating non-acidic foods since the human body is built to be alkaline. Low alkaline foods increase the risk of kidney stones, cancer, heart disease, stroke, skin disorders, and autoimmune diseases. This makes it important to control how much acidic food we can have in our diets. Once again, the foods you eat have a powerful impact on your health. Eating foods that are more alkaline can be health-promoting. The truth is, eating alkaline foods doesn't require any extreme measures. Eating high alkaline foods simply means you're eating more of certain foods to help prevent your blood from becoming too acidic, which promotes your health in endless ways. In fact, among other things, your body has a hard time properly producing energy in an acidic internal environment, as an acidic state leaves less oxygen available to your cells for energy production. The nature is just amazing. It was found that the most alkalizing foods are plant foods, which makes them excellent food choice when you're eating for energy. Therefore, eating energizing, alkaline foods simply means you're eating more fruits and vegetables, and vice versa. Without further ado, let's dive in and explore the top 10 alkaline foods that are beneficial for your health. Number 1. Lemon. Let's start our journey with lemon. Not what you were expecting, right? While citrus fruits are thought of as acidic, lemons are high in alkaline nutrients like potassium and magnesium. And once they are digested, they produce alkaline byproducts. So, don't worry. You don't have to say goodbye to your lemon water. Lemon juice in its natural state is acidic with a pH of about 2, but once metabolized, it becomes alkaline with a pH well above 7. So outside the body, anyone can see that lemon juice is very acidic. However, once fully digested, its effect is proven to be alkalizing with many health benefits. Number 2. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood. They are bursting with nutrients, including vitamins A, vitamins K, vitamin C, magnesium, and folate, as well as the healthy fats our cells require to grow and function properly. These fruits are rich in alkaline water content. When eaten regularly, they aid in weight loss, promote eye health, promote digestion, boost brain health, and reduce cholesterol levels. However, healthy unsaturated fats, like those found in soothingly creamy avocado, can help keep heartburn at bay and keep your acid levels at a healthy place. Number 3. Tofu. Acidic effects on the digestive system are caused by milk and other dairy products. Since it is manufactured from soy milk, tofu naturally has an alkaline pH. Tofu should be substituted for paneer to stop the acid reflux. Since tofu is an alkaline food made from soybeans, consuming soy-based foods will also provide many of the same health benefits. Tofu is a byproduct of soybean curds, which is ideal as it has few calories and is a good source of protein and iron. Isoflavones, which are abundant in tofu and may offer protection against cardiovascular and cognitive diseases associated with aging. Number 4. Spinach Most leafy green vegetables are alkaline forming in the body, but spinach is one of our favorites because it's so versatile. Spinach is another high alkaline food that is known to benefit bone health because of the calcium it contains. There is evidence that consuming more spinach can help control high blood pressure. Like many alkaline foods, spinach is easily metabolized by the body. Because spinach is highly alkalizing, it's often included in anti-cancer and cleansing juicing protocols. There are endless creative and delicious ways to eat spinach. Dear health enthusiasts, we invite you to also check the video description where we've added other important information for you. Feel free to click the links. We receive a small commission when you shop by following our links. Thank you. Number 5. Bananas. Bananas, Ake potassium sticks, are another highly alkaline food that you won't want to leave out of your diet. Bananas are also a great source of fiber, which help promote digestive regularity and sweep toxins out of the gastrointestinal GI tract. Banana is a yellow fruit that tastes delicious. Bananas for stomach acid are considered safe because they have alkaline properties. In addition, this fruit is also considered to help balance the acid in the stomach so that symptoms of acid reflux or GERD can be prevented. Number 6. Carrots. Carrots are a high alkaline food that is famous for improving eyesight based on their vitamin A content. In fact, carrots have a pH range of 5.88 to 6.40, which means they are alkaline forming foods. This means that they have a high pH level, which can help neutralize the acidity in our bodies. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals who are trying to maintain a balanced and healthy diet. Carrots can also help protect against cancer and help promote brighter, younger-looking skin. Number 7. Kiwi. Kiwi is known as the most alkaline fruit, which implies that it has a rich supply of minerals, which can replace the excess of acidic foods. Kiwi is a high alkaline food your cells won't want to miss out on because it also contains a plethora of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. And although oranges are famous for their vitamin C content, kiwi contains nearly 5 times the amount of vitamin C than an orange. Kiwi is also a great source of fiber for improved digestion, as well as potassium for muscle function. Number 8. Beet greens. One of the foods that are most alkaline in the world is beet greens. Despite not being the most popular green in our diets, beet greens are one of the best complements to smoothies or stir fries due to their high alkalinity score. Beet greens are not just extremely alkaline, but also bitter, which could assist in increasing bile production and improving fat digestion. They are also rich in lutein, which may prevent cancer and damage to human DNA, reports the Physiology and Federal Research Center for Nutrition. Number 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an alkaline food that can also aid in hormone rebalancing when the body's estrogen levels are too high. This is because cauliflower contains a nutrient called indole 3-carbinol that helps the body regulate estrogen levels. We encounter estrogen daily through estrogenic foods, chemicals in our environment, and pharmaceuticals drugs. High levels of estrogen are harmful to the body and can lead to weight gain, digestive symptoms such as bloating, as well as reproductive cancers and infertility. Number 10. Apples. Apples have a reputation as one of the healthiest foods in the world, mostly because they're so rich in detoxifying fiber and antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids that protect against cancer. All these nutrients are also essential for promoting healthy blood pressure and cholesterol. To get even greater health benefits from apples, I recommend adding apple cider vinegar to your diet each day. When fermented to make vinegar, apples contain a nutrient called acetic acid, which offers antibacterial and antiviral benefits. The alkaline diet is a nutritional approach that focuses on eating foods that are rich in nutrients and low in acidity. This diet encourages plant-based foods and limits animal products, which may have many potential health benefits, including weight loss and a lower risk of chronic diseases. We told you it would be easy to add some alkaline to your diet. Changing your eating habits always seems like a more drastic challenge than it is. But taking care of yourself is simple. The next time you're craving a healthy snack or looking for a new recipe, keep these 10 superfoods in mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this knowledge with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such health insights. Leave a comment below if you have a favorite that we missed. Never forget this: your health is your greatest asset, and you don't need to be rich to eat healthily. We invite you to explore our playlist, where we believe you will find other helpful videos just like this one. Until next time, continue eating healthy. Thank you